Today's activity, animal sound activity, where the teacher teach how to recognize the animal and their sound to a little learner. During this activity, teacher introduce a various animal with their unique sound to make the learning more interactive or enjoyable. Animal toys help them to recognize each animal, face masks to let children role play and connect with animals. Playful approach help children identify animal by appearance and sound, enhance their listening skills and speaking skill, build confidence through pretended play. We look forward to a joyful and noisy jungle theme together. Thanks for watching Parents in Preparatory School.